get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. Long time no here. Alright, who's ready to smash out a heap of recipes? I know I am. We'll get back into it with something really easy, alright? Onion twists. I'll write the recipe below as always, but for you guys on the TV, we're going to need 2 trays with some baking paper. We need a medium onion, a little lump of butter, half a cup of chopped fresh chives. If you don't have fresh chives, you can absolutely use dry chives. 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry, 1 tablespoon of milk, and half a cup of grated cheese, and the cheese can be whatever you can get your hands on. First thing we want to do is get our onion, and we want to chop it really small, and if we're using fresh chives, we want to chop them up too. Alright, fry pan, medium heat, lump of butter, add the onion, and now we just want to cook it until it's nice and soft. Once the onion's soft, we want to put it on a plate with some paper towel and set it aside to cool down. While that's cooling down, we want to put our ovens on at 240 degrees Celsius. We want to grab out 2 sheets of frozen puff to thaw and get our half a cup of grated cheese ready. Alrighty, now we've done all that, we want to put the onion in a bowl. Then we want to chuck our chopped chives in there. Now if you're going to use dry chives, I would use a tablespoon. Alright, we just want to mix that through really well. Grab our first sheet and then we want to spread it all over it. Grab our second sheet and put it on the top. Alright, just go around and push all the edges down. Now we want to get roughly a tablespoon of milk and just put it over the whole top. Once we've covered the top, we want to put our half a cup of grated cheese all over it. Alright, now we want to cut them in roughly 2 centimetre strips. Now we want to get them and twist them the opposite ways a couple of times, like so. And then we want to put them on our trays. Alright, as soon as the oven is up to temperature, we want to bang the first tray in. Exactly 11 minutes later in my electric oven, and mate, they smell freaking awesome. Oh, better get you some. Okay, so I'm going to chuck the next lot in. So usually the next lot will be a minute or so quicker. Alrighty, we just want to let them cool down a bit and then we serve them warm. Well, there you have it, lovely onion twists. Something really simple and easy and absolutely moreish. You've got to give them a crack. Thanks for watching. I'll be back really soon. Toodles!